Here is a generic ape letter that you may copy and send to the appropriate court case. Feel free to edit it so that you make it your own, if you agree. Honorable Judge Michael Moore, U.S. District Court, South Florida. Case Donnahue George versus Griffin et al. 21 CV 61719. Your Honor, to respect your power and time, I will keep this summary of AMC stock market corruption brief. As a stock trader who networks with other traders, I have witnessed multiple traders document the illegal short-selling practices of hedge funds and market makers. YouTube channels like Roaring Kitty, Trey's Trades, Donnahue George, and professional market analysts like JG Savoldi, BAM Investor, have witnessed it live day after day and shown the tactics in videos, but many of us have recorded the data privately. The reason it is important to recognize corruption in the markets is that traders need to know how the rigging works to be able to make money in our form of capitalism. Currently, our system is failing the American working class because only the richest insiders are making profits by draining liquidity from our savings accounts. The main way the Bear Syndicate steal from us is they divert our buy orders to the dark pools off the lit exchange so that stock prices they target can only go down, since all the public is allowed to see are sell orders, many of which are fake orders and fake shares. Also, this is all that the corporately owned exchange sees as well, at least publicly, what they can publicly acknowledge. This is also well documented in films like Apes Together Strong and Wall Street Conspiracy. Many of us common stock traders live in fear of the rich companies involved because we get attacked by their agents when we try to speak out about the corruption. The Bear Syndicate of banks and hedge funds and market makers control social media using bots and the media companies. This bear stock cartel seems to also control CEOs through extortion and bribery. Having power over CEOs has forced thousands of targeted companies to liquidate themselves and submit to corporate trading practices like taking on toxic debt loaned by the cartel, dilute the value of their own stocks by selling out to the cartel, and lying to shareholders about the problems. AMC, both media companies, GME, and Genius companies are not alone in this. The hundreds of companies I monitor have the same short-selling problem during years of corporate record-breaking profits for boards and CEOs who get bonuses and golden parachutes and all of this. This is the reason that millions of shareholders are losing their investments, and also the reason that we need justice. Sincerely, Ape Investor 2024.